I didn't. I never ordered stuff, and it was you guys' fault.
See if we can fit them all in here.
BLT Foods, again, we just got our delivery today. I'm telling you guys, this is the most amazing thing ever. For around 10 bucks a pop, they bring it to you. You have to have a minimum order of 5. Just go to bltfoods.com. If you have any questions or anything, leave a comment on the video. I know the owners, and I'll be able to answer your questions or get it answered if I don't know. But just think about how much it costs to go get the ingredients, to bring it back home or office, and to cook this stuff, and then the time that it takes, the money and everything to clean it up and whatever. Like, this is amazing. BPA free containers, so it came right on time because I'm hungry. I'm at the office, and I think I'm gonna go with salmon. What are you feeling, Tom?
I think I'll do this beef over there.
Okay. I tried that the other night when I went to the kitchen. That was amazing. So, Kayla, what about you?
I'm not hungry. I'll probably try yours because I'm hungry.
Okay, so
But
bltfoods.com, best food prep company in Las Vegas, hands down. Any questions? Like I said, feel free to leave the question in the comment section. I'll answer any of your questions. Give us a like, and if you like these type of videos, subscribe. Have a great, productive day.